At an unprecedented rate, our world is digitized, redefining the boundaries of technology and demanding an evolutionary leap in how we resolve issues of trust and security in digital transactions. Imagine a technology poised to redefine these parameters, heralding a revolution across every sector from finance to healthcare, from real estate to intellectual property rights. This technology is blockchain, not merely an innovation, but a foundational shift in how we process and validate substantial amounts of data without compromising on transparency or security. Critics often compare blockchain to the scorching ascent of the internet, potent, pioneering, yet not fully predictable in its wider social and economic impacts. However, the comparison provides insight not just into what blockchain might achieve, but also underscores the magnitude of its potential impact. Let's peel back the layers of this digital enigma, explore its definitive advantages, and juxtaposition these against the constraints of our existing technologies. Blockchain, simply put, is a decentralized ledger of all transactions across a network. All participating nodes validate any changes collectively, making it highly resistant to fraudulent activity. This mechanism ensures data integrity and transparency, establishing trust without the need for traditional intermediaries. As data is added, previous blocks in the digital chain are locked down and linked, resulting in a secure, immutable chain. This structural permanence not only increases security but also enhances the efficiency of numerous processes. Today's technological landscape is dominated by centralized systems which, while currently effective, have evident vulnerabilities regarding security, privacy, and efficiency. Blockchain introduces a paradigm shift with its decentralized approach. By distributing data across multiple nodes, it virtually eliminates single points of failure, a notorious pitfall in centralized systems. Contrast this with the structure of traditional banks, which are susceptible to cyber attacks and fraud. Blockchain technology mitigates these risks by offering a framework where transactions are transparent and immutable. Blockchain's influence stretches across industries. In finance, it offers alternatives to traditional banking, including faster transactions and reduced costs due to the absence of middlemen. Healthcare could see secure, comprehensive patient records that are easily accessible but only by authorized personnel. Real estate could eliminate the bulk of paperwork and improve the accuracy of records, making buying and selling properties more straightforward and secure. While current technologies have advanced drastically over the past decades, they still present significant shortcomings such as high costs, inefficiencies, and susceptibility to corruption. Systems that rely heavily on middlemen can slow processes and increase transaction fees. Furthermore, as data breaches become more common, centralized databases offer attractive targets for hackers, putting sensitive information at risk. The seamless integration of blockchain into existing infrastructures poses a challenge, but is crucial for the widespread adoption of this technology. Education and regulatory adjustments will also play key roles in its adoption. The potential for blockchain to streamline operations across different sectors and to replace outdated systems is undeniable, provided there is enough willingness and innovation to embrace change. Adopting blockchain could herald a new era of efficiency, transparency, and security in digital transactions, reflecting a significant leap forward for technological advancement. In conclusion, blockchain isn't just a tool for achieving greater transparency and security, it's a potential flag bearer for a new wave of technological proficiency that's ready to redefine existing paradigms. As we understand and begin to unleash its full potential, blockchain stands ready to transform our digital landscape forever, making it not only more secure but fundamentally more efficient and equipped for the challenges of the 21st century.